Good morning children. Today also you are going to learn about area. Okay. So what is mean by area? The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. Okay. Right. Today also you are going to solve how to find the area of different figures. So in the exercise 10.2, so we have different figures given. Good. We have to find the area of the following figures by counting a square. So what he given here? Find the area of the following figures by counting square. By counting squares, how much area it occupies? Now you are going to learn. Right. Take your square paper. Okay. Take square paper. Draw one by one. First draw this shape. Draw this figure. So it is, yes, exactly, it is a square. Okay, now children, is it visible? So you take your, keep your textbook in front of you and take notebook, and not only that, take square paper also. So first draw this one on the square paper, right? So draw this one square paper. So with the pencil only you should draw. So now I am finding the area of this figure. So what did I say? First to take the full squares. If is there half squares, next to take half squares. If is there more than half. So after that, like that, one by one you count. By counting squares, we have to find the area here. Now I am counting here. First, here full squares. I am taking the full square. So here all are full squares are there. How many full squares? Now I am counting. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. What is that? So total fully filled squares are total fully filled squares are 9. Total 9 complete full squares are there. Then what is the area? Area of that figure is 9 square units. Okay, these are the units of area. So square units. So there is not given centimeters. Okay, na? So you can write. So we are taking one box. It is as 1 centimeter. Na? 1 square is equal to 1 centimeter. Right? Area means, so 1 square into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Total 1 square centimeter. So in the last class you learned. So here also see. Now take directly 9 square units. So what is the area of this that figure? 9 square units. Very good. So there is no half squares now. No need to write that. Now take the B1. So which figure it is? Like a cross. Right. Okay. See children. Here also. See, is there any half squares? No. No half squares. Here also directly given the full squares. Now I am writing here fully filled squares. Filled squares. How many full squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Then what is the area? Area is equal to 5 square units. 5 square units. Right. Come to the third figure. So in the third figure, see, there is half squares are there, full squares are there. First we count full squares. So fully filled squares. Fully filled squares. So how many full squares here? 1, 2. Okay, total 2 full squares are there. Right. Next, half squares. How many? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are half of the half filled squares. Now how many half filled squares? Half filled squares. How many halves? 4 halves. 4 halves. 4 halves means how much? So otherwise we write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So total, so 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So otherwise directly we cancel 2 ones, 2 twos. There 2 half filled squares. Now what is the area of that figure? 2 full squares plus 2 halves, that is 4 half squares. Total 4 square units. This is the area of the figure C. Okay children. Now see the figure, yes, D. So D figure C, it is a, this looks like a rectangle. Very good. See, here all are full squares. All are full squares. So now count what is the area here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So here fully filled squares are 10 full squares. Now the area is equal to 10 square units. 10 square units. Similarly, see problem E here. So all are full squares. Okay, now count here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So how many full squares? 10. Fully filled squares are 10. Then area is equal to 10 square units. Area is equal to 10 square units. Next come to the F problem. Everything you have to draw on the square paper. Right. So this figure see. So here half filled squares are there. Full squares are there. First count full squares. Full squares are here 1, 2. Okay. So fully filled squares are squares are 2. So there are half filled squares are there. How many? It is 1 half, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves. 4 halves, nothing but 2. Right. Half filled squares are 4 halves. 4 halves. That is equal to 2. Then total area. Total area is equal to 2 full squares plus 4 half squares are nothing but 2. Okay. So that is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. What is the total area here? 4 square units. 4 square units. Right. Next to see G1. G figure draw. Right. G figure. See in the G figure. Yes, very good. Here also full squares are there, half squares are there. So first count the full squares. Fully filled squares are, yes, each time you have to write like this. Okay. First count the full squares. 1. So it is 2, 3, 4. How many full squares? 4 full squares are there. Half squares, how many? Count. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. Half filled squares. Half filled squares are 4 halves. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Or directly write 4 into 1 by 2. You will get 2. Then total area is equal to, total area is how much more? 4 plus 2, that is 6 square units. So what is the area of this figure? 6 square units. This figure occupies on the graph paper or square paper is 6 square units. Right. Next come to the problem. See one more problem. What is EGH? H problem. See now I am drawing here. See H problem. See ma. H problem. Now draw like this. Sorry. Here 2 square bars and next to 2. So now 1, 2. Right. Okay. So like this you draw on your square paper. Is it clear, children? Right. Okay. Now, so count here how many full squares on the problem. H. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all are full squares. Directly write here fully filled squares. Fully filled squares are total 5 full squares. Then total area is equal to 5 square units. 5 square units. And next HI problem. See I problem. So what is the shape of this? Here the figure is like here. Okay. So draw you neatly. Okay. So here also all full squares. Now count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many are there? 9 full squares. So fully filled squares are total 9. Then the area is equal to 9 square units. 9 square units. Like this, children. Now different figures are there still. Those are J problem, K problem. Okay. So this one we have to, yes, we have to solve. Okay. Now J, K problems. So you count that square. How many squares are filled? How many squares are half filled? You have to count and find the area. Exercise 10.2. Okay, in the first problem, J and K problem, we have to do. Right. Okay. Now I am explaining L problem. How to find the area of that. Dear children, I have drawn here different figures. Okay. So we have to find the area of these figures. For that, okay, we will prepare one table. So then we will write easily how many full squares, how many less than square, half squares, more than half squares, less than half squares, everything we will know. Right. So for that we have to prepare now one table. So draw the table. So first covered area. So how much it covers? Covered area. Next to number. How many full, how many halves? Right. Next to area. area estimated in square units. Okay, so first one is half filled squares. Half filled squares. And second one, fully filled. Sorry, first one is fully filled. Next, half filled squares. And third one, more than half filled squares. More than half filled squares. And fourth one, less than half filled squares. Less than half filled squares. Right. Now we will write here number. How many full squares? How many half filled squares? More than how many half filled squares are there? Less than half filled square. That number we write here, and finally we will find the area of that figure. Come to the figure. Right. First, full filled squares. How many full squares here? Observe this figure. Full square means one complete square box. That is 1. Right. 2. How many full squares are there? 2. Very good. Next, half filled squares. Half. Exactly half is there. Is there no half filled square? So you leave that. There is no half filled squares. More than half, see. More than half, how many? Very good. 1, here 2, 3, okay, yes, 4, okay, 4. So how many more than half filled squares are? Only 4. See clearly in your textbook. Yes, these are also, okay, these are also more than half, that is 5, 6. Right. So those are the more than half filled squares. Now less than half filled, less than half. These are 1, 2. So next these are 3, 4, 5, 6. How many less than half filled? 6. Then the next we will write here the area estimated in square units. 2 full squares means what is the area? 2 square units. Okay? There is no, so leave that. More than half filled. 6 half filled squares more than. What is the area of this? 6 square units. Less than half filled squares, how many? 6. If less than half filled square, can we count that? We have to ignore. So that's why don't take. So you have to consider that less than half squares are counting as 0. Now write down total area. Total area is equal to 2 full squares plus 6 more than half filled squares. Then total area is 8 square units. 8 square units. Is it clear, children? Right. Very good. Next, similarly, see M problem. For M also, you draw same table. Now I am erasing this one. Right. Next, for M problem, full filled squares. How many full squares are here? What is the M problem? Okay, this one, this leaf. Now we are finding the area of this leaf. How many full filled squares? Full filled squares are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So how many full squares are there? 5 full squares. So under the number you write 5 full squares. Is there any half filled squares? Half. Half is there any? No. So there is no half filled squares. Now keep blank. Now more than half filled squares. More than half. Half filled squares more means. So how many will come? See, count more than half. This is more than half, 1. Okay. So it is 2. Next it is 3. Next 4. Yes, here also 5, 6, 7, right, this one also 8 and 9. How many are there, ma? Very good. More than half filled are 9. So is there any less than half filled squares? Less than half filled? See, less than half is a 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is there, and still is there any? So count. And this one here 9 given. And next see children carefully. Once again you observe carefully here. See, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, this one, 12. Okay, so total less than half filled squares are 12. Okay, so I have drawn here roughly now. So it is not a correct presentation. So you have to draw exactly on the graph paper. Then only you will get the exact area you will get. Is it clear, children? So roughly I drawn this one. Okay, right. So here see. So what is the area? Full square is 5. Then area is, you have to take 5 square units. There is no half filled. More than half filled squares are 9. What is the area? More than half means not 1. That is 9 square units. Less than half 12 squares are there. 12 half filled squares are there. So half filled less than half means can you count? No. Can count 0. Now total area is equal to 5 plus 9. That is 14 square units. What is the area for figure here? 40 square units. Last see finally the figure M. Figure here have how many full squares, how many half filled, how many more than half, how many less than half filled squares. Let us see first full squares. How many full squares are here? Full squares. You can see in your textbook neatly observe. Full squares means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Full squares are how many? 8. Very good. So total full squares right here. Total full squares are 8. Then, so next to half filled squares. Half, is there any half? So half means like this will come. But here no halves now. So there is no half filled squares. More than half filled squares. More than half filled squares are how many? Count. More than half. 1, 2. This is 3. Next to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Here 9 is there. And this one exactly more than half, children. So there is more than half given now. This is more than half. So right. So now tell me how many more than half filled squares are? 10. Very good. So 10 more than half filled squares. Now write the less than half filled squares. Less, half less. Less than half filled squares are how many? So less than half means 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and still is there any 6 after? See children. So this one, that's why I said to you now, you have to draw 7. So how many? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Only 7 came here. See clearly in your textbook. How many came? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I got here 8 less than half filled squares. So now I am writing here 8. Now find the area of this figure. Fully filled squares. 8 full squares means what is the area? 8 square units. There is no half filled squares. So 10 more than half. You have to count 1. So 10 more than half means area is 10 square units. So less than half filled squares you have to count. Yes. No, you don't count that one. You have to ignore. That means 0. Then total area. Total area is equal to 8 plus 10 is equal to 18 square units. 18 square units. Is it clear, children? So that's why now I explained these all are roughly on the board. So what you have to do? You have to take square paper, draw figures neatly as it is how the figures on the textbook. As it is you copy. You draw that figure neatly with the pencil, then only you will get the exact area. That is how much area these regular shapes of figures occupies. Is it clear? Right. Today I have given homework to you. In the first problem, J and K problem is the homework in the page number 216. And see the above figure, that is example 12. Yesterday we solved this problem. So like that, once again you have to draw all figures. So today homework is only exercise 10.2. All the figures you have to draw on the graph square paper. Cut that one after drawing the figures on the square paper. Each figure you cut and paste in the classwork book. Okay na? So that photos you have to take and post in the Google form. Today homework is, so you have to draw all the figures. So draw all figures, all problems from A to N problems. All figures you have to draw on the square paper. So paste, cut and paste on the classwork and post in the Google form. Okay children, so once again remember what are the conditions when you are finding the irregular shapes. What are the conditions you remember and find the area. Okay children, take care, bye.